In the land of digital gold, TA with TI Joe, we bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
Get all them robot dancers out and do the robot. What's going on, guys? Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. A bingo bango, a bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you every single day, Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Trade Academy portion of the Piper Academy Network. This is TA with TI Joe, or TI, what else? What are the names? Tradester Joe, TI Joe, and of course, Trade Intuition, which is my name. All right, guys, now let's do this. We got green. Oh, wait, I think I'm doing a short. Why am I doing a short? Am I doing, let's see here. Well, let's see if it plays out. I'm thinking it's going to come down before it goes up, but let's see. All right, we're going to get stopped out right now. Pretty good chance of it is battling. Had a really nice run up. All right, so here we go. We're getting stopped out already in 3, 2, and I'm not going to, okay. So Crypto Bubbles. Crypto Bubbles is doing okay on the hourly time frame. On the daily time frame, not so much, not so much. Of course, right now, what I just showed you was my $25 challenge on a leverage. $25 account using leverage and slowly building it up. And let's see how far we can build it up. All right, here we go. So I'm doing that on my channel, but right now I completely forgot that I opened a short. It's like, oh, dang it, take a look at it. It's probably gonna get stopped out, it's okay. Stop loss is like 30 cents that I would lose. Not bad. All right, there we go. We are looking at the liquidation heat map. This is on the 24-hour time frame, and we have liquidations up top. So we may go up before we go down. Now, one thing I do want to point out, these liquidations does not mean the direction that it'll go. However, it's been doing it. Now, this little system will work until it doesn't. There's also things called spoofing, where the market makers know what we're looking at. They actually provide the information for us to look at it. They know that we see this. They know that we see this and these higher ones up. So what they'll do is they'll put these huge orders here. And the spoofing part is they can cancel them at any moment. And more than likely, you know, everybody's thinking it's going to go up. And they'll actually reverse the price action so that you get stopped out. So just giving you a heads up, that's a spoofing, what spoofing is. All right, so 24 hours. We do have really nice areas up here, 30 million to get liquidated at 97.3. Then we have another hot area, 39.89 million at 98.1. Then one more just above it at 98.3. Liquidation of 32.15 million. Yes, indeed. We got all set in the house. What's up, TI Joe and fam? Appreciate you guys for being here. We got Paul in the house. What's up, Paul? Appreciate you, man. See, we got Jesse also. Very nice. We got Golden Wolf first. He hit the like button and he was first. We got Jesse right, like literally right there. And Jesse is, I'm going to say also first. We got Dylan in the house. What's up, Dylan? Hey, Joe, have a good stream. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, man. Having a good day. Good day. Playing with Bitcoin. I was going to try to play with Ondo, but Ondo looked like it was too rough. I don't know. Let's see here. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So guys, if y'all have any questions, please let me know. If you have any questions as far as trading, indicators, coins, let me know. All right. So let's see if we got stopped out, and chances are, I was going to say chances are yes. So the reason I'm going on a short right now, even though it's really, really high risk right now, it should have broken already, is because we had this really nice run up. Now I did take this trade from, I want to say here to here, and I was like, okay, I'm out. And then it came down, and this was my stop loss. This yellow line was my stop loss. So I'm glad I got out in profit rather than taking a loss. And then I ended up doing something, and I go and I check, and I see this way up here. It's like, oh, wow, my trade, but I forgot I cashed it out. But I'm glad I cashed out because I would have got stopped out. But look at that, really nice run up. Then it started coming down, and then I shorted here. I took profit, I think, once it started coming up again. And it's like, okay, I would like to see it come down. I'd like to see it come down because of this run up. I would like to see it come down at least into this area. Let's do a box. I would like to see a retracement at least to this area. So about 38%. Let's go ahead and draw this out. Let's use this. Magnitude is already on. Let's go from the absolute low to the high. Boom. Look at that. 38%. Right on the money. Like dab smack in the middle of my level. I would like to see it retrace here and really come down to the 0.5. But I'm not sure if it'll come down this low before potentially going up and then maybe coming to the 618 and then having this the decision point. Is it going to go up or go down? We'll see. We shall see. And if you notice from the last, from when we were on my stream on Trade Intuition, you'll notice that we are increased our money by $1.50 maybe. I did a trade prior to the show, and I am up $1.50 from the last time you saw it. And it's just slowly but surely, 30 cents, 75 cents. And we will build up our $25 to 33, and then 42, and then 55, and then hopefully, or we lose it all, go back down to $10. Ooh, ouch. We started with 10, went to 33, got aggressive, went back to 10, put it 25, then 29, and then now I think we're at 27 or 29. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get some coins. We're not just gonna stare at this, even though I love staring at this. But we're gonna get some coins and see if we can get some trades. Hey, we got Retro Mike in the house. What's up, Retro Mike? I actually fixed, it was my DNS, so I did the flushing. I forgot who mentioned it. Retro Mike or somebody else, I forget who it was yesterday. Like, Joe, just go and flush your DNS. Like, all right. So then I did it. And then I also renewed the IP thing and then rebooted the computer, and it works. Thank you, people of the internet, my family. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Dylan says, did anybody listen to the podcast on X Twitter? Oh, dang it. Oh, that's at 4. That's at 2. Dang it. No. I put a reminder too, where Piper and Tom were speaking any thoughts. Dang it. No. Did anybody listen to that? I put a reminder and everything. What was I doing? Was I still doing my stream? Maybe I finished. Dang it. Let's see here, going down the list. Yeah, so let me know, guys. Did anybody listen to that? If so, what were the key takeaways? See here, username says, I heard RMT was at the username. Yes, all it says IP config stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so I did the DNS renew first. I was like, oh, wait a minute. Normally I do the IP config, IP renew, blah, blah, then the other one. So then, but it's working. So it's good. Okay. Very good. Let's go ahead and get started. We got a nice consolidation. I thought I was going to get stopped out right here. You know, I entered the short here on the break of the 9 SMA and started coming down, and then whoop, I was like, oh crap. And look how close it came to my stop loss. My stop loss was already set. Look how close. And then it came down and said, bloop. I was like, oh, give me a heart attack. If I lose 30 cents. Come on. Let's go, Bitcoin. Oh, let's go. And right now it's kind of in this consolidation, accumulation, proclamation, civilization zone. And we needed to break below this level. It's that simple. We need to break below this level. Let's, Joe, we're in the same trade. Oh, awesome. Very nice. Let's go. See, Jesse says, I came in when it was done. What, y'all missed the ribs? I want some ribs. Today's almost Friday. Might get ribs today. Nah, I don't know. Joe, bouncing at my entry. No. Say it ain't so. Man, it's literally just going back and forth right here. And this is the moment where the Bollinger Band squeeze and something can happen either up or down. I would like it to go down just because it already made a move up. Look at that. It made a really nice move up. Look at this nice move. So for me, it would make sense to come down. This is the 38% level, right smack in the middle. And then I would like to retrace a little bit more before continuing up. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm risking 30 cents. Risking 30 cents. A lot of money. Well, let's go. All right. So I will, you know what? I'll put this over here. Make this large. Then I will put this, nope. I will put, what am I looking for? It's going to be too late. Then I'll put this. Just so we can kind of see. Okay, so far looking so good. And let's see, small left, small box left, small left. It needs to be right. Do I not have it here? What's this? Oh, that's not it. And this one, that's not it. Okay. So let me go ahead and add another one. Add the scene. It's going to be display capture, existing, small box, top right, URL. I don't have it. Front, small box left, small left. Top right. Nope. It's not it. Dang it. Dang it, you heck. Okay, well, let's just get it started. Well, let's get it started. So I think it's this one. Nope. I think it's this one. Yep. Y'all gonna get a little dose of all this junk. From here. So here. Okay. I believe y'all can see it. Should I make it a little bit larger? I believe everything is in picture. Life of a streamer. Yep. 100%. All right, we're in the positive. We're in the positive. Come on, let's go. Let's go Bitcoin. All right. Let's see here. Oh, but then I can't change anything. Dang it, I didn't think this through. Oh yeah, I can still do it on this other. Okay. So it's not enough move for me to, well, let's see. Oh, y'all can't even see this right now. Not a problem. Duplicate. Don't see duplicate. Duplicate. Okay. So now y'all should be able to see this. As soon as it loads up. Take profit. I just moved my stop loss. But my take profit is where my levels of support are. But usually it starts bouncing, and then I take profit. For example, so here I expect it to bounce, so I'll be taking profit here. Here I expect it to bounce, so I'll be taking profit here. It's wherever my levels are at, and like if it breaks through those levels, then I don't take profit. But if I see it starting to kind of reverse, it's like, oh, let me take some off. But what I'm going to do, so I have a 30% or 30 cents that I'm risking. Don't want to do that. Let's bring this bad boy down to above my 30 SMA. And now, from 30-cent loss, 15 cents. I'd rather lose 15% or 15 cents than 30 cents. Okay, so right now, everything's looking good. Needs to break below my VWAP. We got selling pressure at the moment. We had buying pressure. And it's coming down to my area where I was thinking it might go. Nobody knows. 100% nobody knows what's going to happen. When your thought process does play out, it feels great. It feels Tony the Tiger. When it doesn't play out, it's like, ah, crap. Right now, only 19%. Get 40 cents. I usually like taking profit when it's $2 and I take half. So then I get $1. If I take profit now, I'm only getting 20 cents. I don't want that. I'd rather move my stop loss, but I can't do it right now. I have to wait for my 9 SMA to keep on coming down, my 30 SMA to keep on coming down, get below my entry, and then move it. And then now I'm in a positive. So no matter where it goes, I'm in a positive. But right now I'm still in the negative. Going 20%. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right. So let's continue looking at this. So we answered that question as far as big profits. It's wherever it's the bounce possible. But like right now it's going through it. So it's good. But I only have 20%. Boring. But now it's doing this number. I do expect a nice bounce back up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this. More than likely, I will get stopped out. I have a very high chance. And I would make, as long as this comes up, not sure why everything's slowing down. So I clicked it like 15 seconds ago. And I'm not going to click it again. I got to wait. Yes, confirm. Wow, it's like 30 seconds. I'm not sure what's going on now. Confirm. Oh, crap. Stop loss. Okay, stop loss is here. Good. If this was $2, I would definitely take profit right now because I do expect it to bounce. But I don't even have 25 cents. And there's times where I will trade this. I'll put in $2 and I'll cash out 50% of $2, so $1. And then it'll keep on riding up. And then it hits $2 again. I'll cash out another $1. And so that's how I'll get my $10 all the way to, so far the max was $33. $30, I mean 30 cents, 50 cents, $1. But right now I do expect it to potentially come up. It's on the 0.5. If this was $2 again, I would do some profit. Let's look. Let's look at, see, 1 minute. Yes, we're on the 1 minute time frame. Tracer Joe should watch Saturday morning coffee with username. Yes. See, 96, 200 profit or take, yeah. This will be a nice take profit. It just depends on your, where you entered and also your leverage and the amount of money you have. Like me, I got no money in this. I got $2 in this trade. But if you had $100, you know, 20% is good. Don't get hung up on the percentage. Like if it just moves 5% and you have, you know, okay money in it and it makes you $30 or $100 or whatever it is, hey, that's good. Now you have to manage your risk though. You don't want to make $30 and risk 100. So that's important. So here it is coming up. It is bouncing. More than likely, I'm guessing it's going to come up. I'll draw it. Where's my drawing tools? Where? Oh, here. This is what I think might happen. Might come up. Maybe miss my stop loss and my S30 SMA will do this. So it barely miss it. Like the skin of my teeth miss it. That's what, maybe. See, that's the golden pocket. That's the GP golden. Yes, I think. CJ says, opening positions on the point of control is tough. Usually chop city. Point of control. POC. I have my POC underneath it. This is my POC. So this is for the whole range right here. So this is the POC. So I'm looking for about, I want it to go up. I want it to go up. But right now I'll take the small down before it can possibly coming up. So right now we're currently above our POC. We're underneath our anchored VWAPs or VWAPs. We're underneath our 9 SMA and our 30. This is only 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to our leverage. Oh, it's coming up. 50 cents. Man, I want to just close out the trade. Where is, there's too much junk in my stuff. So I'm underneath this. So, I mean, this is good for my shorts. I didn't even see that with all my drawings. I want to close it. You know what? I'm going to put my stop loss right here. So it's above my wick. And it already came into the 30%. If this wasn't here, if this VWAP wasn't here, I would close out my trade. But since the VWAP is here, is showing me that it's getting rejected on it, we might continue coming down. But if this wasn't here, I would have closed it. I was like, nope, it went down 30% from where I thought it might, and we're good. But because it's underneath it, I'm keeping my short open, and I have my stop loss just above this, which means that if I get stopped out, instead of losing 30 cents, I make 30 cents. Thank you very much. I will take that. See here, probably retesting at the fib. Possible. I need some dinner ideas. Here's one. Invite me over. Everybody who agrees, say aye or put the number 1 in the chats. French toaster needs an idea for dinner. I say invite me. Everybody say aye or a 1 in the chat if you agree. If you agree. What are y'all having? What do I want for dinner? I don't even know. I want Popeyes. I haven't had Popeyes in a long time. Like a long time. Like 2 months, 3 months. No, 2 months. About. Well, since December, before Christmas, about 2.5 months. Wow. That's crazy. I tell you what, though, I can't do a drug test after they give me that Popeyes. They have something in there. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. They have, because once I get one of those chicken tenders, man, I want another one, the next day and the next day. They put something. They have to. I just know I can't do a drug test. Nice. Keep it going. Let's go. Let's go. So when did that happen? Started going above it, and then now it's closing beneath it. I'm getting nervous. It needs to close underneath here. Let's go. Close underneath this. 96,374. Let's go shorts. There we go. Let's go. Let's go Bitcoin. Like, you can go long later. Right now, we're just getting a really quick scalp. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Let's see here. Oh, all my chat disappeared. Let's see here. Go into the chat really quick. TP, how moving stop loss? Golden Wolf, I don't know what you mean. Take profit, how moving stop loss? So I just move my stop loss. I just move it down. And I just judge it. For people who are just kind of starting out, I would not recommend trading the way I trade. I don't have emotions. Like some people, they may have emotions like, oh man, it's going great and this and it's like, take profit, man. That's when you take profit. But like if I see it coming down and then it starts reversing, I take profit. I don't care. I'll take 50% off, 20% off something. And then if it keeps on going and I'm looking for a bounce and it doesn't bounce, I sell it off. And then if it returns back down, it's like, ah, crap. Okay, let's go again. And we just repeat that. And then I'm even with my stop loss so that at the worst, I lose. The worst, I make 20%, 10%, 1%, something. The worst. Like here, if I get stopped out, I win. I like that. I like them odds. But yeah, but if you're just starting out or you trade with emotions, what I would recommend is having everything already set to where you don't need to think. It's already pre-programmed. If it goes there, great. If not, hopefully you're moving your stop loss and hopefully not too tight. Because there have been times when I first started, man, I do my stop. I would see it move and I move my stop loss really tight. I get stopped out, make some money, then it retrace, and then it continue my thought process. And then I moved on, or I forgot, or got busy. And then I go and I see they made a 40% move. And it's like, crap, man. Just because I got this, 1%er, and it was like, man. But now it's much different. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Since there's a lot of chat going on, I might not see it. Give you a heads up. Hey, there we go. See here. Is there a risk management with just spots? Yeah, man, there's risk management with everything. You can have a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, meaning for every 30% you're willing to gain, you have a stop loss of 10%. So it's 3-to-1 risk to reward. I gotta do these charts faster because, like, once they disappear, they disappear. See, LBC, get better soon. I think it's gonna be 18 years of that sickness or the stomach ache, probably. We'll see. Here. Here. A list. We got ones in the house. We got eyes in the house. Lunar Beaches Crypto is in the house. Lunar Beaches, let me know. Sam says, I want a dinner with Joe. So my favorite food. So let me, oh wait, let's close it out. Flash close. 35 cents. I got 35 cents. I don't like this move right here. So I close it out and I will re-enter once it breaks this level for a short. And I will go long if it breaks this level. So I closed out my trade. I got 30 something cents. And we'll see. We will see what happens. I don't want to have all these drawings on my charts. I mean, I do need them. But let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. I didn't like how this was looking. Let's get rid of this box too. It was moving way too fast with this pump. And it had a really high chance of it coming up to my level, come back down and doing this. Well, I got it. Let's see here. And now it's coming down. 19 seconds. I want it to go up. Yeah, but I didn't like how that looked. Okay, now it's coming down. I'm going to risk just like 50 cents. So let's go. Come on, it takes forever. Oh man, they moved too much. Dang it. I'm not gonna chase it. That's too much of a move for me. I'll probably go a little bit less. No, I don't want to chase it. I'll catch up on the chats. See here. Any major news coming? An ad? Not that I'm aware of. I don't know. See, grilled cheese. Ooh, tomato soup. Nice. Lucky, not ramen. I might have ramen. I don't know. Chicken tenders. Man, I want some. Man, I think I'm gonna get some chicken tenders. I think I am. I haven't had them in a long time. I go for some grilled cheese. I want grilled cheese now. Y'all were talking about it earlier. I do want it. Let's see if we can get a bounce. So for here, if I did not close out my short, more than likely right in this area is where I'll be looking to close out my shorts. Right in this area. So between 96 and 95.87. I mean, that would have been nice. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I just didn't like how it moved right here. I happen to be looking at this, and then I come back and I look at this, and I just see it pump. I was like, nope, let me get out. And well, I could have made some money. So right now, I would sell 50%, and I would wait to see. I'd move my stop loss here, 96340. This may be a bounce. I'm going long. Going long right here. And we'll see. Is it going to take it? Okay, it took it. And now we're underneath our, man, everything is just kind of in my way. I'm going to delete everything. Get out of here, everything. And it's just us scalping. We're just trading back and forth, back and forth. So one thing that I do want, man, I really wish I had more screen to play with. But then I don't have my trade. I don't like that. Exit. So one thing I want to do is I want to get my this. I'm going to go to the chat in just a moment. And I didn't catch it all. Oh, I did. And it's moving slow. 92 on. This, move it over. So now I'm thinking we're going to go up. Here's all I do. Up, down, up, down. But I'm still looking for that potential bounce. Oh, so slow. Come on, internet. The potential bounce off of this area right here. So it came down, it came back up. Looks like it was going to come down. This is really, really getting me frustrated. Come on. So right now, we're on the 1 minute time frame. We need to see it break above our, maybe if I don't even look at it. I mean, that's really getting me frustrated. Didn't even move it. So I'm going back to the chat. And of course, a lot of it's being missed because there's so many chats to go and then I can't see. Let's see here. Golden Wolf says, I was wondering if you typed it in or some other way. Don't know yet. Oh no, I just get this and I drag it. That's what I do. I click on this and I drag it. When you're on MEXC, I think Blowfin 2, you can get them and just drag it. Let's see here. I'm a fat. Love me some mayo. Yes. I normally don't eat mayo, but I have no excuse for my fat. I used to love mayo. I don't do it anymore. I do love it though. Let's see, come on RSI and MACD. I want you to win this short. Yes, and I want you to win the short as well. See here, Luna Reaches Crypto says, first time I saw a video on someone using mayo for grilled cheese, I thought they were crazy. Then I tried it, never going back to butter. Really? I've never done it. Now y'all got me curious. Okay, so here, we're gonna come down. Oh, and we're at $2. Oh man, I wasn't even looking. Come on, this thing takes forever. Come on. 50%. Man, look at all this time. Come on. It's gonna come down. Market. Close. Close. Finally. Oh, thank God. But I do see it coming down. Where's my entry? Man. 96,462. 96,462. 96,462. 96,462. 96,462. 96,462. Get 50 cents. Man, talk about like you need to be on point. You need to have everything like super fast. I clicked it like 30 seconds ago, 15 seconds ago. Still hasn't done it. We're gonna get stopped out. We have a 98% chance we're gonna get stopped out. If we don't, it's gonna be a miracle. But we have a pretty good chance we're gonna get stopped out. So on this one, I think we made like $1.50. Possible. We'll see. Man, that was a good one right there. Oof. So here, Trader Joe, why are you anti-mayo? I've never had it. I don't know how it is. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited about it. Fifth dancers rocking the trade. So here, let you know what did I miss? No idea. I got $50 burning a hole in my pocket, in my Uphold wallet, and I'm gonna send it to Joe. Hey, well, thank you. I'll send you my USDT address. Should I buy some Tether and send it to Maxine? Sure, why not? Buy some Tether and send it to Maxine. Let's see here, we're in a long. We almost got stopped out. Right now, our 30 SMA is right here, where our stop loss is just underneath our 30 SMA. We have a very, very high likelihood of getting stopped out due to this nice run up. I would expect it to come down to the VWAP and then potentially coming back up. But right now, we're still in the trade. Still in trade. Golden Wolf says 23.16% when stopped out. Nice. Like it. $50. You should put it in a no. 200x. No. I'm in Trump coin. No. Hard coin. No. Here. It broke the VWAP. Come on, let's go. Eat my shorts. It's in the game. Oh wait, that's wrong. Okay, JV. When I happy I did, otherwise I would have felt stupid. See, chicken tenders with chocolate milk. Not so much. It's a madhouse here. It's a madhouse. So here, you would have probably stayed in it on the 3 minute. If you were on the 3 minute, possibly. Ooh, 29%. Let's go. Let's go. See, my actual house will be turning into even more of a madhouse later this year. I believe it. I believe it. Grilled cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Here. Put that fit back on, Joe. Yes. Agree completely. The fibs are, to me, very important. So now if this was $2, I would take percentage again. But since it's only $1, I'm good. And I'm leaving my stop loss here. Listen. Because they could just surprise everybody and just run. Get out of here. This. Get out of here. This. Get out of here. This. This level. Move it up to here. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's go. All right. Here, Sam says you get 50%, up 50%, up 50%. RIP, Boss Hawk. I used to love that show. Let's see here. Keep shorting up till 786. Possible, yeah. But when I saw this big come down and then it's starting to come back up, I was like, I mean, it's really just luck, kind of. But I mean, I wanted to go up and I wanted to go to the golden pocket before going up. And then it had this little dump, which is in the golden pocket, and then started coming up. I was like, you know what? Let me go long. So went long and just happened to catch it. And the level I was worried about was this, you know, especially with the VWAP, because it could have just come up to here and then come back down. And then here, 786 would have been an area be interested in possibly catching a bounce. Happy birthday, Kate Diggity. Not yet, but almost. Very nice. It's your birthday in Australia. Very nice. Uh-oh. I'm upset that I've been home 3 days straight, but because the market has been bull, I haven't traded at all. Hey, sometimes it's a good thing. It's retesting the VWAP. Yo, keep on watching it, man. Keep on watching it. Yes. Yes, indeed. Here. Going down the list. Yes, definitely, guys. A trade with the Blowfin account. And right now, it looks like it's going to roll over. I'm going to go ahead and cash out. So 92 cents. 92 cents. And in the bag, we're at $30, guys. We're at $30. But Joe, it's going to go up to the moon. It's okay. I secured profits. I didn't like how I was looking right here. I'm thinking, oh, it's probably going to roll over, hit my stop loss, then only get 30 cents or whatever it was. Here, I secured $1. So now we are trading at $30, guys. We started out with $25 yesterday, I think it was. And then prior to that, it was only $10. We're back up to 30, guys. That's exciting news. We went from $10 to now $30 in a span of about 4 days, give or take. Now, here's the trick. Can we keep our $30 or bring it back to our $10 that we've done before? Don't want to do that again. I want to secure my profits and also just nibble at 20 cents, $1, $2. We'll see. Right now, for me personally, I got out. And so one thing I like doing is I like recapping reasons of what I do. I got out, you know, we entered way down here. Very nice entry. Came up. Our resistance level was the VWAP. It broke through that. Very nice. Then our next resistance was the 30 SMA. Broke through that. Amazing. Retested our level at the 382. Beautiful. Came up here, stopped. 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 And I started seeing this. I was like, nah, I don't like it. Let me get out. Now, could it go up some more? Yeah, definitely. Of course, it can do whatever it wants. But I secured my profits, and it might come down to here, break the 382, come down here back to the VWAP, which would be a nice retracement to the golden pocket for this move before going up. So I closed my trade. Now, could it go all the way to $10 million? Sure. It can do whatever it wants. But all I know is I secured my profits. That's right. All right. Let's see here. Bearish kind of coming in for me. Okay. Let's see here. In the trader park, we got toast, cheese, microwave. Good. Yeah. When I was young, story time. When I was young, I never knew how poor I was. Never knew. I was really happy. Man, was I happy. And even to this day, there's a lot of stuff that I don't have. For example, I was telling my cousin, I think it was last night, that I would love to have gold bars. Like a lot of them. Like a whole room full of them. But I don't have them. And it's okay. But what I do have is the ability to walk, talk, see, taste, you know, drive. And I'm happy for that. Very, very happy. So, no matter how poor or rich you are, it just depends on your attitude. It really does. Man, I know some really rich people. Really rich. And I would not change my life for theirs. Tell you that. All right. Let's see here. Wolf. A golden wolf says, yeah, that happens to me this morning. I placed it long, and by the time yeah. So right now, this looks like it might have been a good idea When this green candle was printing, it didn't look like it. Right now, it looks like it might have been a good idea, but we won't know. Nobody knows. And this is what one thing I always stress to everybody. Like, nobody knows until after. Whether it's indicators, whether it's the decision you made, anything. Nobody knows until after. So that's important. Except for username. Jesse says, username knows. See here, going down the list. Going down the list. CJ says, I like sending AVAX or XLM to exchanges because less fees. Yeah. Or using Tron network when you're sending USDT. Yeah, the fees are so amazing. I love them. But let's see here. LOL. Gamer jokes. See here. Golden Wolf says it happened to Alex O Crypto and me this morning. Ugh. So far right now, this is looking like a really great decision. And I'm very, very happy that we made the decision here, even though like right after it didn't look like it was a good decision. And now it's looking like it was a good decision. But nobody knows. Nobody. Sometimes intuition comes into play. Sometimes. There's been times where, let's just say, for example, I close my trade right here for the same reason. Next candle goes up 3%. Next candle goes up 8%. It's like, dang it. Oh, well. Based off of the decision, the information that I had at this moment, that was the best decision to make. Can't beat yourself up for stuff that you don't know the future. Based off of what we see in the moment, that was the right decision. Yes, guys, don't forget, smash the like. Smash the like. We have a $25 leverage trading account. We started with $10. It was a $10 challenge. Now it was a $25 challenge. Today, it is a $30 challenge. We started with $10, I think like, I don't even know, 2 days, 3, 4 days. But we got it up to $30, guys. You may think, oh, $30, that's nothing. Well, what if instead of starting with $10, you started with 1,000 or 10,000? Now those numbers change, huh? Yeah. But I'm showing you, you can do it with $10. Here we go. Let's see what else we got. See here, at the moment, it's 10:46 p.m. Ouch. K Diggity says, well, it's only 7:15 for me. For me, it's going to be 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. CJ says, man, this market sucks now. Tons of chop and fake outs. 100%. CJ, you have just won the most prestigious award. I was trying to think of other big words, but that's my limit. I'm a simple guy. Yes, 100%, man. The market sucks, dude. Tons of chop. Tons of it. See here, getting stopped out, yeah. See here, going down the list. Going down the list. We got Brackets Adventures in the house. Pensacola in the house. Yes, indeed. I love story time. Well, thank you, Alexandra G. I have a lot of story times. And some I can't repeat. Not proud of those moments, but I am. All right, moving on. Can't run for Congress or governor or any kind of states or anything. Put it that way. It's funny. People say money changes people, and it doesn't. It reveals them. There's a movie that I saw. I don't remember the movie. It was a young guy. He was in it was a penthouse, you know, and you can all glass on the thing, so you can see the whole city. And he's going out again, and his wife, and they're young. His wife says, "Where are you going?" He goes, "I'm going out." And she goes, "Money changed you." And he looks at her and he says, Money didn't change me. Money revealed me. Ooh, so true. Money does not change people. It reveals them. Because if you want to have fun, if you want to party, if you want to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff, well, guess what? When you're broke, you can't do that. But when you have money, put away the phones, put away the cameras, if it gets crazy. Now, in reference to that, let's do the flip side. If you're all about church, if you're all about, helping the homeless, if you're all about, providing for schools and everything else, and then you get money, guess what you're going to do? You're going to donate to the schools. They're going to have its own library for you. All this stuff happens. Now, if you end up doing a bunch of crazy stuff and you live through it, you get to appreciate that, and you realize that money didn't change you. It just revealed you had money now to do it. So, give you a heads up. But yes. Good times, good times. Your health is your wealth. 100%. You can be super rich and have a heart attack. Now, okay, so there's been stories, very healthy people jogging, they have a heart attack. They're in great shape, they have a heart attack. I was like, I mean, at that moment, I decided never to jog. I mean, I did jog once. The ice cream truck, he wouldn't stop. And another story for another day. Regardless of your bank account, yeah, your health is really important. I mean, you could lose it mentally. You can get Alzheimer's. Like, man, there was one of my patients, pretty wealthy dude. He knew, I think, like 8 languages and Alzheimer's. And he would just do jibber jabber. It was pretty cute, though. He was like in his, late 80s. And he would just do jibber jabber. And then there was a female that, same thing with her. She was in her late 80s. And she would do jibber jabber. And we would put them together. And so he would be talking to her in jibber jabber. And then she would be, and then just jibber jabber. And they would be there for hours just talking. And I had a good old time. It was so funny. Oh, here we go. Look at this. It looked like it was going to come down and just dump. And it started pumping. Right now, this may be a lower high. We have a high, lower high, lower high, possible lower high. If it breaks this level, we might try to short to do this. But I really don't want to front run stuff because I've been burnt before. But this is a really nice retest on this 382, though. I got to figure out which way I want to go. Let me tell you my story. It was so cute. There was one time, and the same lady, she was always confused, and she's going, and I used to work in a nursing home. I loved it, man. That was my calling. And she would come up to me, and because she's just going around and around. I said, "What are you looking for? Are you looking for something?" She goes, "Yes." I said, "What are you looking for?" She goes, "I'm looking for a husband." She was on the search for a husband. I said, "Oh, well, I don't see any husbands here. I think they're all taken. But let's go ahead and put you to bed." Okay. She was a cutie. Little cutie. All right, moving on. See here. Got to buy some eggs tomorrow for my eggs. I do love eggs, man. They're so expensive. $7 a carton. And normally when I buy them, I buy like two dozens. Sometimes 3 if I don't want to go back to next week. But usually like 2 dozens at a time. Gotta take out a loan. It's like, where's the loan office? So here, you could have all the money in the world and bad health. Yep. Can't do nothing. If I was rich, my life expectancy would be halved. So maybe it's good. Yeah, middle class. Yep. Oh yeah, guys. For me, very lucky. At the time of a registered nurse, overtime like crazy. I'd always work over. I love working. I loved everything. With the place I was at, my people, just everything. Crazy overtime. Not married. no kids, very little bills. I'm talking very little bills. And made me very attractive to a lot of very attractive females. Yep. Why? Because I can take care of the kids. Never again. Never again. All right, here we go. Let's see here. Jesse says, I'd love to sell my crypto into USDC and get a 6.8 APY. Hey, there you go. Not bad. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning where Dylan's at. Whoa. Oh, yeah. The bank account? No thanks. Okay. Yes. Let's not forget about the PiperCon 26. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So here I'm looking for a bounce. Like this will be healthy. It came up, came down, came up, came down. Looking for a bounce. Just gonna put a little bit of money, $3. Let's see if it takes it. If this is the bounce, come on, go. Oh, it takes forever. Looking for a break at this level. Now, granted, I'm starting to do my old habits again. I'm starting to try to front run. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to front run the break of this level. 96884. Couple things that are in my favor. 1, we're above our VWAP. 2, we're above our 30 SMA. And we're above our 9 SMA. Am I in the trade? Oh my gosh, I can't close it out. It looks like a bad choice. Bad choice. 96560. 96560. 96560. Oops, wrong one. 96560. Come on, 96560. 96560. There's 50 cents. 50 cents. Oh, it's gonna lose it too. Dang it. See, this is how I lost all that money by trying to front run. Can't do it. Sometimes that pays off. Sometimes nope. You gotta wait. Gotta be patient. All right. Let's see here. Artis Miller says, these titles to these videos just crack me up. So much fun. It's like walking down the alley of a... yes. 100%. I'm like 2 hours from Pensacola right now, if that counts. Retro Mike. Here, going on the list. Yes, indeed. Make that money back. Here. Pick a direction. Come on, let's go. I agree. 100%. I gotta reset and look at this and see what we're gonna do. See, I think Mr. Universe died. Heart attack. Oh wow, that's ice cream truck. That's funny. So here, jokes. What do you mean jokes? This is what happens. All set. Joe is cracking me up. You guys are silly. You guys are so silly. Those are eggs. So here, I was paying $6 a carton in Hawaii back in the 90s. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. I went to Hawaii once. The first time I've ever been on a plane, and I was in Hawaii. This is a beautiful area for a bounce. I gotta look at it though. I gotta take my time and look at it. But man, it was so beautiful over there. I was there for 2 weeks. I almost stayed there too. I bought a car there and everything. But it would have been just me running away from my problems. I said no. Not gonna do it. So here. Very nice. Yes, guys, definitely smash the like. Lunar Beach just says, sick and tired of being sick and tired. Amen. Amen. I'm sick and tired of being poor. However, I continue to give my money away. But it makes me happy when I give my money away. So I'm okay. I'm okay. See here. No eggs this morning. I have try and find some evening this way. Nice. Very nice. Okay. So let's look at this. Let's focus. Let us focus on this. Get out of here, moving averages. Get out of here, VWAP. Let's regroup and short city. Short city, break of the night of the point of control coming down here. Am I 100%? No. Am I 30%? Sure, why not? I think it's gonna come down. 15. Looks great. A lot of buying pressure. But I'm just huge dump. I mean, if it were to do it, it would have to do it. It would have to bounce up right now. I don't think it's trying to break this level, making a lower high. The short city all day. Okay, now that we're focused, let's go. Let's go. Let's go $6 shorts. And then I'm gonna also, I'm looking for a retracement back up here. And if that's the case, I will, let me get this. I don't like this, but get rid of this. I'm looking for price to come back up. Let's get rid of this. I'm looking for price to come back up to around my 30 SMA. If it does, I am going to buy. Really? It took that long to get my order filled? That's embarrassing. So I'm looking for it to come back up here. So this color, I will do this. This I'm going to get rid of because I don't want to see that on my charts. I want only what's going to make me money on my charts. Just confirming that I went short. Like, oh man, I think I went long. Now, could I be completely wrong? Of course. 100%. And of course, I do this every day, guys. I show you how to trade on my channel, Trade Intuition. Right now, I'm on Piper Academy's channel. I do this every day, Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over, this is the first time we've actually done stuff like this, but normally we go over charts, we go over thought process on trades, we go over, how to trade, different indicators, different chart patterns, all that fun stuff, on how to actually trade. Now, for me, I show you in the moments. I don't show you after the fact. I don't show you an indicator on what it's done. I show you an indicator with what it's doing, present tense. The only reason I show an indicator to show you what it's done, past tense, is to show you how all these mentors and all these people who show you how to use something, they show you what already happened. The indicators don't work that way. The indicators are based off of the price action, which is currently moving. So how can you show something that it works based off of what it already did versus what it's doing? That didn't make any sense. If your indicators are failing you, that's the reason why. Problem solved. All right, moving on. Let's see here. What's going on? Bitcoin Bitcoin's coming up. Oh no. Oh, my price is way up here. So I'm looking for the price to come up here to add to my entry. If it comes up here. Don't know. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. See, also it says poor. We'll see soon enough. I'm journaling my small account, 5K, and grow it. 5K is good, man. 5K is real good. See, here's my stream tonight. We're going to continue to chop until tomorrow morning. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Touch the sky. There you go. I'm down for a music stream. LOL. Let's go. See. I'll say it. What's trading? Yes. What's trading got to do with this? Got to do with this. You know it. All right. See, Jason says, I love my people. Right back at you, my friend. Right back at you. See here. Lunar Beaches says, I'm going to have to start doing something to make some more money. Maybe start working the streets. Hey, there you go. There you go. Ooh, making some tacos. I like it. I like it. All right, very good. We're all caught up. We see the direction in the chat, not in the chat, in the charts, to where a downtrend. And for me, I like it. Oh, where's my liquidation? I didn't even look. 97.6. Okay, we're safe. 97.6 is way up here. I think we're good. I think we're good. And as soon as, oh, and plus also on this, you can hedge trade. So right now I can go long to this level and then close it out if it flips. Right now we're battling this VWAP. And I always forget to do that to hedge trade. And it's like, oh, I gotta wait for this, and then I end up waiting, and then I'd be trading for a few hours. I was like, and taking like 3 trades. I was like, man, what am I doing? This is usually when I'm really tired. I was like, man, what? And don't trade when you're tired. Do as I say, not as I do. And I was like, oh my gosh, man, I've been waiting for it to come down here so that I could buy it here to come back up, so that more than likely it comes back down. And I would literally wait like an hour, hour and a half for it to come to my area. And then I would go long, do my profit, and then wait an hour, hour and a half for it to come down, then do my entry again. And then once I was done with that trading session, I was like, what am I doing? I could have been trading shorts instead of just waiting. I was like, oh my God, like I knew I was tired when that happened. I was like, oh my gosh. That's let's see here. The whole SUV is gonna be full. Gonna be the madhouse. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. All right, so just as a recap, we've taken our $10 account to a $25 account to a $30 account. And our goal is to not bring it back to $10 because that's what we did before. We got a little crazy, started doing higher leverage. But Joe, you're already doing 70x leverage. I know. We started doing higher leverage and front running certain trades. And we took our $33 account back down to 10. Now we are going to stay focused, stay vigilant. And now, granted, we've already done it once. We're trying to front run. Didn't work. We lost. But now, you know, I think it was what, yesterday we had $25. Now today we have $30. Earlier today we had $27. Now on this stream we have $30. So we're doing it, guys, slowly but surely. And you may think $10. Just think of it. If it was $100, it was a $10,000 account. That's what we're doing, guys. Oh, I'm not liking the turn back. I'm not liking this. Let's go. But again, now, instead of it coming up to here, now I'm guessing it's going to come up to here. If it pulls back. So it's pulling back here. We wanted to break this level. Oh, right. Wow. Look at that. Let me put the magnitude on. We wanted to break this level. Dang it. Dang it. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it to heck. We wanted to break 96,116.9. Look where it went right to. That's what we wanted to break. Now, if it bounces here, I'm hoping that it comes up to here around this area now to come down. And we'll see. If it doesn't come up here and bounce off of this area, really this area. Not sure where I said it before. If I said this area or this area. But let me draw it. That way, y'all know what I'm talking about. I want it to bounce off of this area. Man, it's going slow. If it breaks this level, oh man. I want to see if it gets rejected off of this. I don't want this. So with my thought process, it changes. And it doesn't change because of emotions. It changes because now we have more data. I'm gonna have to close it. Dang it. Is it gonna close? Yeah. So why did I close it? So first, my initial thought process was I wanted to come up here. This would have been good. As more time's going, it's going lower and lower. It looks like it's going to start to bounce. Then we get this really nice candle here. And I wanted to come up here to come down. But right now, I was in profit. What do we even make? 41 cents. So we made 41 cents. I wanted, for the short, I wanted to get rejected here. And as I'm looking at it, I was like, I don't think it's going to get rejected. In order for me to short, now I have to break this. If not that, if I get a rejection off of this, oh my gosh. Lock it. Man, man, y'all don't even know how upset I am right now. Because I'm literally like lagging big time. Now, this is what I wanted to happen as far as the retrace or a bounce here. But I just didn't like how this candle was going. I wanted to see a smaller candle. Like a small candle, small candle, maybe coming down, small candle. But when I saw this nice pump, I said, nope, close it. And then this other nice pump, to me, good decision. Then red. Okay, if it breaks red and comes down here, then it wasn't a good decision after the fact. But because of all the information I had at that time, good decision. If it breaks this level, I'll short it. We'll see. So we're still at $30. $30.41. That's good. Let's see here. Lunar Beaches Crypto, doing the good fights. Doing the good fights. B Team Crypto says, wind bounce. I mean, this kind of looks like it wants to. But based off of this right here, let's go 15 minute. Oh, let's go with the hour. This is telling me down, down, down. It tried to and came down, broke this. So here's the thing. This would have been bullish. I would have said, okay, I think it's going to start coming up. If price was here, came down, lower high, came down, lower high, came down, equal low. So now we're like, okay, we may start getting strength. Breaks this high. Nice. Now we're getting strength. Now let's go to the moon. It's time to go to the moon. Except when it broke this low, now it's like, nope. This is showing huge weakness. And then it came up. It didn't even come up to here. It came up to here barely. And then now it's coming down. And I'm waiting for it to break this level to continue the thought process of short, then break my POC, and then come down into this box to more than likely go to here. Now, could I be completely wrong? Yes, 100%. Do I think I am wrong? No. Could I be? Sure. But this is what I think. But right now, we're playing with a little bit of money. And I want to secure every penny. Because again, I want to build this up. And if we would have stayed in the shorts, we would be in profit. However, we took our profit up here. And now we're waiting for a break of this level. Now, what would be, man, this would be so great if this happened. If it came up to our VWAP again, and then came down, as much as I don't want to, but I do. I will probably front run it here. And if the candle breaks above, I'll just close it. But open the short here, and then add to the short once it breaks here. I don't know. We got about 10 more minutes, and then we will call it a stream. We will head over to Frankie Candles. But right now, still coming down. And let's see. Right now, I want to open a short, but that will be front running. And that's how I lost all that money. So now I got to wait. I got to wait to see what happens. Is it going to bounce? And if so, that's right. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's right. 100%. Lunar Beaches Crypto says, I really don't see a breakout until tomorrow, unless Asia, London get ahead of the game. A breakout to the upside or a downside? Well, you said breakout. So I'm guessing up. You didn't say break down, which would be down. So a breakout to the upside. let's see, a breakouts. So break out of this level. So tomorrow, yeah, because what I'm thinking is going to come down to this, and then let's see what happens from here. Does it stay above this? We need it to, like desperately, like our crypto future short term depends on it. Or is it going to come here, bounce up, or come over here and come down, and then everybody gets wrecked? Unless you're shorting. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. All right. I'm bouncing up. Let's see if it goes down. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's right. Gonna get that liquidity at 95.4. 95.4. There you go. There's another thought process for you. There's another thought. Come on, get rejected. Get rejected off of that level so we can come down, and we'll put a $5. We'll put $5 on it. Who's got 5 on it? I think Lunar Beaches does. We've got 5 on. Let's go. See, shorts. We gotta wait though. We're gonna front run it. This is how we get wrecked. Gotta wait for the next candle. See what happens. It's coming down. Red and 3, 2. Is it gonna bounce on that 9 SMA? What's gonna happen? It froze. What happened? It froze. Where is it? Where is it going to go? How'd the price freeze? What happened? Okay, there it goes. Oof, scared me. Did I miss it? Retro Tech Mics. Retro Mic Tech Notes. Retro Mic Tech. He's got 5 on it. Who else got 5 on it? See here. Am I going to short? Got $5 on it. Got a higher price right now. I'm going to do it. I'm going. And I did it. Cool. It opened up fast this time. It only took like 3 seconds. And my stop loss going to be right here, nice and tight. And I like doing this because it's, oh my gosh. Because it's, I don't have to worry about typing in different numbers. Come on, for the love of God. 42 cents. I'm willing to lose 42 cents. Did I front run it too much? Whenever I front run, I lose. I already front ran once on the show saying that I wouldn't, and I lost. Here I'm front running again. Am I going to do a 2 for 2? Am I going to, Jesse knows it. I'm going to do a 2 for 2. See, Lunar Beaches knows. I knew it. I knew it. The RMT knows. See here. CJ says, nobody knows where it's going, but if I had to guess, it would be heading towards the range low and reclaim 50% of what that long wick. Hey, there you go. That's a good thought process right there. I like it. I hear that old school classic. A bingo bango. A bingo and a bang. That's not a bad idea, CJ. Yeah. I like the thought process. Now, here's the thing. Like for me, I love hearing different people's thought process. And if you can back up your statements, that's much better than saying, oh, it's going to go down because, well, I think so. No, like, why? Explain. Uh-oh. I don't like seeing green. Come on, red. Oh, man, I get sucked out. 3, 2. Jesse says, I got 5 on it. Very nice. See here. See, a little Beach of Crypto says, I think we sweep that local low at 94,215. Dang it. Per the Bitcoin prep chart. Man, I lost 40 cents. I lost it, guys. I tried to front run it. Man, this is going really slow. I think it's my internet. I don't think it's the site. I think it's my computer. My internet's only 50 cents. Holy moly. That's the second time. The first one, we lost 41 cents. The second time, we lost 50 cents. So we lost $1 from my breaking my rules for my front running. And watch, now it's going to dump. Second time. I'm not front running again. No matter how much you pay me. See, might go down another 2 minutes. 1 more minute. There you go. Oh, here's our W. Here's our W. Here's where I thought it was going to bounce. And look how wrong I would have been. So here, let's just say I held it. Let's say I didn't close it when I did, and I closed it here. It came up here. I held on to it. It came down. I'm waiting for it to break this level. It didn't break it. It's already coming up. I'm waiting for it to break this level. Didn't break it. I mean, sorry, I'm waiting for it to bounce off of this level so my short could still be valid. Then it doesn't do it. Then I'm thinking, okay, fine. Here's my last line of defense. I think it's going to bounce here before coming down. And then it breaks through it. And now I'm losing a lot of money. And let's say it keeps on going and going. And now it's like, man, I got to add to my short. And then before you know it, I'm at a huge, huge loss. Versus when I took my profit. All right. Let me know if Frankie Candles is live so I can finish the chat. Man, we've been doing this the whole time. I love it. And all you guys, I mean, you guys know how to trade, but like I love it when I get questions. Questions to me, it really helps. Sometimes a CM just gets you no matter what you do. True. I don't know what CM means, but I'm going to say 100% true. They want to wreck everyone. 100%. So here, big wick incoming. Possible. Ooh, I want to short so bad. I'm not going to do it. Market Cipher. Oh, Market Cipher MC. Market Cipher A. Let's see. Market Cipher A does have a blood diamond right now. Yes, on the daily. Yeah, that blood diamond was printed a few days ago. They told me about it. And normally when it does that, it pulls back 20%. So I was told the other day. That would put us pretty much in our low volume node. It would have put us right around this area. So when they told us at that time, I'm guessing it was here maybe, 20% would put us right around 79, 78, which is an area that all of us have been looking at. Okay. I agree. See here, price action this week. It's going down. Wait, no, it's going up. No, wait, it's going down. Wait. It's going up. Dang it, it's going down again. Lunar Beaches Crypto with the forecast. Yes. Yes, indeed. See here. See here. Online learning says, been in same long 6 hours. Getting bored. 100%, man. 100%. Here, Composite Man. Oh, are those, okay, very nice, Composite Man. Composite Man, so that's like market makers? There's all these names that mean the same thing. I don't know. I'm not hyped to all this young hipster stuff. You guys are hipsters. I'm an old man. Just tell me what to buy and sell. That's it. So here, been the same long for 6 days. Oops. Come on, Ethereum. Oh, let's go. Corporate America. I thought it was Corporate America. At least you had an idea. I'm like CM. What the heck is CM? I got this long hair blowing around. Let's see. Ethereum is slow. What max position size DPO you use for trade? Bennett says, what max position size? $2. Would that make a difference if I trade with $2 or $2,000 or $2 million? What the question should be asking is, do you not so much win more trades than you lose, because you could lose more trades than you win, but still be profitable. The question should be, the trades that you win that are in profit, do they exceed the trades that you lose in percentages? That's the real question. Now, I'm going to tell you all a story. This was many years ago. Many years ago, I'm doing some teaching, some training, mentorship. And the guy, I've been with him for like an hour and a half. And the guy asked me, he's like, Joe, so how many is in waiting mode? Okay, cool. Yeah, I got a 5-minute story. So he asked me, he goes, Joe, how many, out of the last 10 trades, how many have you won? I said, the last 10? I want to say I won 3. I won 3 out of 10. It's like 3 out of 10. So then you mean you lost 7? I was like, yep, I lost 7. I said, but here's the question though. On all these trades, I had my stop loss, and then I saw the market coming down. So instead of waiting for my stop loss to get hit, I moved up my stop loss pretty tight. Let's say it wasn't that far up. Let's say it was pretty close. So I moved up my stop loss from, let's say 15% or whatever it was, to here. Got stopped out 3%, 5%, 4%, whatever it was. And then there was some that actually got stopped out 15%. However, those were the 7 that I lost. The 3 that I won, they were kind of like this. And winning trades. And of course, I would add to these winning trades. And, I'd take some profit. And then I'd be moving up my stop loss, moving up my stop loss. So those 3, they actually did very, very well. So the question shouldn't be, how many trades do you win out of 10, for example? The question is, what is your percentage of not wins versus losses, but what is the percentage gained per win versus the percentage loss? You could win, let's say, 30% total for the week, and you lost 10% total for the week. By the end of the week, you've got 20% that you made for that week, which is good. Let's say you only win 1 trade, and that 1 trade gives you 80%, but you lost 7 trades. One of them was 2%, one of them was 4%, one of them was 1%, one of them was 6%. So you get the picture. So all in all, you lose a total of, let's say, 30%. So, but you had 1 trade that did 80%. So all in all, for that week, you're up 50%. Not sure what I was trying to draw there. 50%. So this is the question you should be asking. There you go. Most new traders, including myself, would always ask, how many trades do you win versus lose? This is how you know you are Tell me you are newer to crypto without telling me you're newer to crypto. Ask this question. Tell me you're a seasoned trader without telling me you're a seasoned trader. You ask this question. It's that simple. And before, I always ask this question. Because to me, this is what I thought was the importance. And it's not. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Eric Trump told me to buy ETH. He did. I saw it. He did. He told the entire world. I saw it. Frankie Streams and waiting mode. We're going to go there in just a moment. We can join the chat. Very good. So here, you can have a dog poop win rate. Okay. Be profitable. Yes, agree. We got to work on your audio, bud. Let me know if you need. So what's wrong with my audio? Is it messing up right now? Lunar Beaches. Yes, we definitely got to do that. Absolute max risk for me is 3% plus 1. So Lunar Beaches, do you please tell me you have, please tell me for the love of God, please tell me you have Telegram. I hate Discord. Man, I'm only on there because of y'all. Like, y'all have no idea how much I hate Discord. But send me screenshots of your audio setup. And I'll send you screenshots of mine. Because I think that your audio, but gotta work on your audio. Yeah. All right. So let me go ahead and move this over to, today was fun. We won some, we lost some. Not too bad. We didn't do too bad today. Go to customization. Let's go to redirect. Let's go to the videos. Let's go to Frankie Candles. Let's go save. Let's bring this back over. Yes, I'm only on Telegram because of you. Oh, thank God. There's a little fuzz echo when you speak. Really? Yeah. And thank you for that. So anything that I could help improve my audio, like I know my video, man, I'm constantly messing with my video. You know, sometimes it's too dark, sometimes too light. And then I know the audio too. I'll go more into that later. But thank you guys very much for being here. You guys are the best. It was pretty cool. Did some trading. I do thank you very much. You were able to see some of my skills, some of my I have what are those, like little trolls that the bingo ladies have? I have trolls all over my desk and my monitors. But that'd be cool if I did. And I have rabbit's feet everywhere. And I do a lot of candles. I do a lot of praying. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. It's been fun. It's been great. And let's go to Frankie Candles. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. And we'll see you over there at Frankie Candles. Take care.